Welcome to all. Today's topic is parallelogram law of vector addition. This law is used for addition of only two vectors. Okay. So that is the parallelogram law of vector addition. Okay. What is the statement? This was said that if two vectors are represented by the two adjacent sides of a parallelogram. If two vectors are represented by the two adjacent sides of a parallelogram, then the diagonal starting from their common point represents the resultant or addition vector. Okay, if two vectors are represented by the two adjacent sides of a parallelogram, then the diagonal starting from their common point represents the resultant or addition vector. Okay, that means if it is a parallelogram O, P, Q, S. Okay, OP represents the vector A, OQ represents the vector B. These two are adjacent sides. So what is the angle between, what is the resultant? Resultant is the diagonal starting from their common point. This is the common point O. This is the diagonal. OS. OP is vector A, OQ represents the vector B, OS represents the vector R. Okay. So diagonal starting from their common point. Common point means O. Why? In a parallelogram there are two diagonal. OS is one diagonal, QP another diagonal. But OS is the resultant. Angle between them is theta, angle between A and R is your beta. Okay. So that means here R is the resultant of A and B. Okay. R is the resultant of A and B. Okay. So we can find out now what is the magnitude and direction of the resultant R. Okay. So what is the resultant R? This is vector A, this is vector B, this is the resultant R. Then draw a perpendicular. This angle is also theta. So that means draw a perpendicular from S2OP produced, that is ST. Okay. Now let A and B to given vectors theta, angle between them are a resultant of A and B. Beta angle between A and R. Okay. So if this angle is theta, this angle also theta. For magnitudes, we use the triangle OST. For magnitude of R, in the triangle OST, it is a right angle triangle. So this triangle OS square is equal to OT square plus ST square. So that is equal to OT means OP plus PT. OP plus PT whole square plus ST square. So that is equal to OP square plus PT square plus 2 OP into PT plus ST square. So that is equal to OP square plus PT square plus ST square plus 2OP into PT. Now in the triangle PST, in the PST, PS square is equal to PT square plus ST square. In this triangle also, what is your sin theta? Sin theta is equal to ST by PS. ST by PS. So this implies what is your ST? PS sin theta. What is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to PT by PS. PT by PS. This implies what is PT? PS cos theta. Okay. Now in this equation, OS square is equal to OP square plus PT square plus ST square plus 2OP into PT. PT square plus ST square, that is equal to PS square. PT, that is PS cos theta. Okay. So OS square is equal to, OS square is equal to OP square plus PS square plus 2 OP into PS cos theta. Okay. What is PS? PS is equal to OQ. In the parallelogram, these two are same. So that is equal to OP square plus OQ square plus 2OP into OQ cos theta. So this equal to, this implies R square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. So this implies R is equal to root over of square root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Okay. This gives the magnitude of resultant or addition vector. Okay. Now direction. For direction, we find out the angle beta. Angle beta. So in the triangle ST. What is your tan beta? Tan beta is equal to ST by OT. ST by OT. So this implies tan beta is equal to ST by OP plus PT. OP plus PT. What is ST? ST is PS sin theta. ST is PS sin theta. OP PT is PS cos theta. Okay. ST is PS sin theta. PT is PS cos theta. Okay. So this implies this is equal to also PS is OQ. So OQ sin theta by OP plus OQ cos theta. What is your OQ? OQ is your B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. So that is the tan beta. So tan beta is equal to B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. So what is your beta? What is your beta? Beta is the tan inverse B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. So this gives the direction of resultant or addition vector. Okay. In case of parallelogram, the magnitude of resultant is, that is R is equal to root over of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. For direction, beta is equal to tan inverse B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. Okay. So these two laws, triangle law of vector addition and also parallel law of vector addition, these two laws are used for addition of only two vectors. That's all. Thank you.